Hills 4-H, and here I'm going to show you some animals at our 4-H McClellan Ranch. Come on.
Hi, my name is Megan. I'm from Rolling Hills 4-H Club, and these are our mini horses. This is Tex. He is 15 years old now. He loves to pull the cart. That's his favorite thing, and he loves to eat everything. But he can't eat everything because he really likes horse cookies, and he likes the tops from carrots. He's a really good boy. And then we have Kelly. This is Kelly. She is our other mini horse. She is 19 years old. She really likes to jump. She can jump a bit higher than her shoulder. She also loves to eat, but she likes the bottom of the carrot rather than the carrot top, which is an interesting thing. They like different foods. She's really sweet. And yeah, other than treats, they eat hay, which is like dried grass, and they also get grain in the evenings. How to take care of a mini horse? We have to do some not fun stuff like picking up their poop and cleaning their stalls out. But then we also get to do fun stuff like exercising them and grooming them and having them do tricks. So Kelly can do a trick if you want to come over here a little bit closer. I need to grab some hay. But Kelly knows how to smile. Can you smile, Kelly? Smile. Smile. Good girl. Yeah.
These are our mini horses. This is Kelly coming up here to say hi to the camera. And over here is Tex, just hanging out by his lonesome. Fun fact, mini horses were originally bred to be horses that pulled carts in coal mines. I hope you enjoy the animals here at McClellan 4-H Ranch. We hope to see you next time, and hopefully in person this time. Thank you.